Hi, we are Bernadette Fritsch from the Helmholtz Open Science Working Group.
And Antonia Schrader from the Helmholtz Open Science Office.
Together, we represent one of the 8 open science actors who jointly launched the German Reproducibility Network in February 2021. Ever since these early days, we have been part of the steering board of the GRN and have been strongly dedicated to promoting reproducibility in science. With this video, we want to take the chance to introduce ourselves and our mission.
We also would like to invite you to become involved in the German Reproducibility Network. You, the research community, and society at large can benefit immensely from more openness, transparency, good scientific practice, as well as knowledge transfer. And we will show you how all of this is connected to reproducibility.
First of all, let's take a look at the Helmholtz Association, home of the Helmholtz Open Science Working Group and the Helmholtz Open Science Office. The Helmholtz Association is one of the large research organizations in Germany and contributes to solving major and pressing issues in society, science, and business. The association includes 18 centers that conduct cutting-edge research in various scientific disciplines, and on top of this, also make modern infrastructure available to researchers within the international research community. Open science, as open access to scientific results, transparency and good scientific practice in academia, as well as knowledge transfer, is a key activity for Helmholtz in achieving its mission. In the Helmholtz Open Science Working Group, thus, representatives and their deputies from each of the Helmholtz centers discuss and develop the topics of open access, open research data, and open research software in order to promote the cultural change from closed to open.
The Helmholtz Open Science Office, as the central bridging and facilitating institution, promotes this process and guides the community under the motto enabling open science practices in Helmholtz. We are convinced that issues of reproducibility and open science are closely related and can benefit greatly from synergies and collaborations. Only with open data and open software, the results of scientific work can be checked. And only with transparency, good research practice, and an active knowledge transfer can the appreciation of and the trust in science be established and maintained.
In order to support researchers in Helmholtz, we therefore promote the dialogue between all relevant stakeholders and create networks and communities of practice. The Open Science Working Group is active in developing policies and recommendations for open access, open data, and open research software.
The Helmholtz Open Science Office offers support and training concerning all aspects of open science. On a regular basis, we organize online seminars with experts of different research fields talking about aspects of open science and reproducibility. We want to make good practice known to a wider audience. While we address researchers of all career paths, we wish to especially provide support to early career researchers as the drivers and ambassadors of the cultural change towards openness in academia. The interest in information on these topics is evident as our resources, events, and training are consistently sought after and well frequented. Up to 200 participants regularly join our public open science online seminars. Some examples of recent seminars are how to make statistical analysis code reproducible and reusable, pre-registration, the panacea for trustworthy and useful science, and practical steps towards open and reproducible research. We regularly offer novel seminars on topical open science issues, questions, and developments. We would love to welcome you as a participant. Please visit our Helmholtz website and sign up for our upcoming events.
In addition, the Open Science Working Group and the Helmholtz Open Science Office are representing our positions on open science on a national and international level. For instance, we are working actively in the priority initiative Digital Information of the Alliance of Science Organizations in Germany and the Deutsche Initiative für Netzwerkinformation e.V., DINI. Furthermore, we support Helmholtz participation in the International Research Data Alliance, RDA, also by co-organizing the RDA Germany conference since 2016. Additionally, we are actively connected to the National Research Data Infrastructure, NFDI, and the European Open Science Cloud, EOSC.
To keep in touch with our community and to provide targeted information about open science, we employ several different platforms and channels. Via the internal Helmholtz mailing list, Open Science Professionals, with almost 350 subscribers from all over the association, and via the publicly accessible Helmholtz Open Science newsletter, with currently close to 1,800 subscribers, we communicate topical and in-depth open science-related information. Of course, we also have a Twitter channel. Please feel free to check it out.
We are confident that these activities support us in spreading the word about the good reasons for reproducibility and open science practices in science. The process of digitization provides science with the chance to transform the handling of data, information, and knowledge, and to make science as much as more open, transparent, and trustworthy. In and beyond the Helmholtz Association, we are working towards this cultural change, and we would like to invite you to join us in this endeavor, for instance, by participating in the GRN or related initiatives, by spreading the word, and by getting in contact with us and our community.
We look forward to hearing from you and working with you to turn this vision into reality.